horse. He's a Cocker Spaniel. No. She thinks he's a Chihuahua horse. Poor little Jake. Jake's such a good boy. Yes, he is. Jake's a good boy. Standing on poor Jake. Aw, poor Jake. He's a good boy, Jake is. Yes, he is. He's a very good boy. Pumpkin, you want to come up here? Oh, Jake isn't a step stool either. No. Just because you can't reach doesn't mean you can stand on top of Jake. Oh, poor Jake. Poor Jake. He's such a good boy, though. Yes, he is. A little humiliated, but he's a good boy. Aww. The Cocker Spaniel step stool. Yes. He doesn't know that he's a step stool. He just thought he was a dog. Pumpkin, where are you at, Pumpkin? Where's it? There she goes. Come on up here. Quit standing on Jake. Come on. Come on. There you go. Poor Jake. He's such a good boy, though. Yes, he is.